morning, you guys. Come with me to get myself out of the weirdest funk and headspace that I've been in for like literally, I don't even know, a week. It needs to end. We're done. The first thing that always makes me feel better is making this gosh dang bed and turning on the Christmas tree in our bedroom, because that is not okay. One of my favorite things to do on my bed is literally mix water with essential oils. I've got like sandalwood, cinnamon, and peppermint in here. And just spray it in your room to make your room not smell like bad breath anymore. Tell me you live in an old apartment without telling me you live in an old apartment. Ugh. I'm gonna talk extra loudly, but I think I'm gonna do an iced coffee today simply because look at these straws. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Cleaning really truly does help me feel so much better. A tidy space is the way to my heart. All right, to slay today, I need to shower my body at least. I'm so cute. My husband is so lucky. Having a wee snack, trying this everything but the bagel yogurt stuff from Trader Joe's with a little cucumber. Let's mix it around. Yummy. Okay, so the last and final thing I'm gonna do to officially get myself out of this funk, and so far we've been doing well. This morning with you guys has been slaying for my funk. But we need to go on a little walk, and I actually live by the beach, so I have no business not going on a walk because it's a beautiful day and the ocean literally like heals my soul. It's cold, so throw it on puffer. Some sick beats. Let's go. Oh, I have a problem. Don't judge. Okay. Coming back for you, baby. Coming back for you.